Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to absorb everything naturally. Today's video is all about the differences between the East Coast and the West Coast of the United States. These two regions are famous not just for their geography, but also for their distinct cultures, lifestyles, and attitudes. Let's break it down so you can understand it easily. The East Coast, stretching from Maine down to Florida, is home to some of the oldest cities in the country, like Boston, New York, and Philadelphia. This region is known for its historical importance. It's where the U.S. was born, with landmarks from the American Revolution, the Constitution, and the early colonial period. Life here tends to be fast-paced, especially in cities like New York, often called the city that never sleeps. On the other side, the West Coast includes states like California, Oregon, and Washington. This region is known for its natural beauty, think beaches, mountains, and forests, and its laid-back, relaxed lifestyle. Cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco are famous for entertainment, technology, and progressive culture. People on the West Coast are often seen as more casual, open to innovation, and environmentally conscious. One key difference between the two coasts is the weather. The East Coast has 4 distinct seasons, with cold, snowy winters and hot summers. The West Coast, especially California, enjoys a milder climate, with sunny, dry conditions most of the year. This difference in weather shapes the outdoor activities and even the fashion styles people prefer. There's also a time difference. The East Coast operates on Eastern Time, 3 hours ahead of the West Coast's Pacific Time. This affects everything from TV programming to business meetings, especially in a country as large and connected as the U.S. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a key part of mastering English and American culture. Please like and share this video to help us keep growing and creating even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.